You lying.
You got me. What you mean I want?
What you
I
saying?
need money for it. I got you.
I hear you. You gonna be out here hitting licks and stuff?
I need to.
Why you lie? Why you smiling?
I'll be hitting each other.
I ain't say do all that.
Yeah. I ain't lying to you. You know I ain't lying to you.
Why you would never lie to me?
Because I care about you.
How much?
Nah. Of course.
Make sure you can hear it. Turn it off. I unplugged the bitch. Now what you saying?
I said I care about you a lot. More than anything.
What you laughing for?
Because you recorded me.
I can
This
record
shit
you.
trash.
Let's try it. What's your name?
My name is Darius Crawford, man.
Why's you throwing all that? See, you doing too much. Anyways.
You don't need no money, no bitch. Got you. All I need is you.
So you get out here, what you gonna be doing?
I'm gonna chill. You know? See my niggas trap. You know what I mean? What I'm supposed to be doing?
What you steady laughing this shit
I
for?
ain't laughing. What I'm laughing about? What you talking about? You tripping?
I hear you.
I know you do.
Forever and ever.
Yeah, forever and ever.